Hi, I'm Mango. I'm back on EZ Cantonese this week. Make sure you share this video with your cat lover friends. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's time for another edition of EZ Cantonese. I hope you, all my American friends out there, had a nice Thanksgiving and you didn't get into some fight over TV on Black Friday. I've always wondered if my cat Mango understands Cantonese. I usually speak to him in English. Let's find out by using some lines from past EZ Cantonese lessons. Mango, 肚唔肚餓啊？肚唔肚餓啊？ OK。Mango， 你好嗎？你好嗎？肚唔肚餓啊？嘿 ，Mango， 對唔住，對唔住，對唔住，對唔住。Mango， 你做緊咩啊？你做緊咩啊？ Getting a massage。早晨，早晨。肚唔肚餓啊？肚唔肚餓啊 ？Hungry？ 肚唔肚餓啊？ Mango， 你好嗎？你好嗎？肚唔肚餓啊 ？Mango， 肚唔肚餓啊？ Well, it looks like other than responding to food, he's not really understanding much. Let's keep trying. 你好靚啊！你好靚啊！咖啡？你好靚啊！ OK。早晨喎，早晨。 早晨，早晨 ，Mango， 我愛你。
Of course I don't understand Cantonese. I'm a British shorthair. I love my human though. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Jai Keen.